Paint for us a picture over the next 10 years or maybe next 2 decades as we are approaching 2047. How many pure play MFIs will continue to exist, or the way to thrive in this kind of a growth phase is to become well-diversified, multi-product financial hub?
Well, again, as I said, that I will stick to my point that in such a complex environment, it is not possible for me to go to 2047. That only an astrologer can do. I can at best go to 2030, 2032, which I said earlier. But having said that, let me tell that when you say multi-product, in case of microfinance, see, credit is fine, so that is already there. Different types of products every player is trying. Insurance, already as through third-party tie-ups, we do credit life insurance and a few insurance. Savings is not allowed for NBFCs, so that will not happen. We are lobbying with PFRDA that earlier the Atal Pension Yojana and other things could be done through NBFCs, so that should be again restarted. If that happens, that will be happening. But I can only tell you that if this sector underperforms, then your gradual transitions of, then if you, the nano enterprises and the household enterprises, which 75%, because in India 65 million MSMEs are there. Out of that, I think around 63 million will be nano and micro. If our proprietorship firms, if they don't scale up, you will not have broad-based inclusive growth. So that is a sine qua non. That is a hypothesis on which we need to operate. The policymakers, the funders, the bankers, the NBFC all have to work together and don't make grandiose statements about what will happen in 2040 or 47.